Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Hippo Insurance for home policy access. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Hippo Insurance for home policy access, start by navigating to the Hippo Insurance website. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to redirect you to the authentication page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password by sending a link to your email. After entering your credentials, click the green Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to your policy dashboard. Here, you can access all your home insurance policy details. If you have multiple policies, select the relevant one from the list provided. To view specific details, click on the chosen policy. This will allow you to review coverage, limits, and any additional information. If you need to update your information, look for the Profile or Account Settings option. Follow the prompts to make any necessary changes. For any issues during authentication, check the FAQ section for troubleshooting tips. You can also contact customer support if needed. After reviewing your policy, you can log out by clicking on your name at the top right corner. Select the Logout option to securely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.